So we're asked to identify which of these is the greatest. So you'll notice here I can write this as root 2 over root 5, 1 over root 5 for the last one, and then 2 over root 5. You'll see now we have the same denominator, and we just need to look for the one that has the greatest. So far, this one is the greatest, so I can ignore these. So now I have to compare these remaining 3. So you'll see same numerator, but here the denominator is larger, so this will be smaller. So now we just have to compare this second and the third. And to compare fractions, one way you can do is you can multiply them like this. So that becomes 5, and that becomes 2 root 2. Root 2, you can either square them again, and this would be 8, and this is 25, so that is greater. So this is one method you can use. Another way to compare these two would be that this number is actually less than 1, because square root of 5 is greater than 2, because we know square root of 5, because we know square root of 4 is 2, so square root of 5 will be greater than 2. So we know this number is less than 1, whereas here, square root of 5 is greater than square root of 2, so that's going to be greater than 1. So that's another way you could compare those two. How else? I guess you could square both sides, so this would be 5 over 2. This would be 4/5, so clearly that's greater. It's 2.5, 0.8. So many different ways to go about it. So to summarize, the answer is choice B.